So, hi together. Today I will introduce you my first part of my Raspberry Pi photo sniper project, where I have found my old Zenith camera, the FS122-2. So let's open the box and see what is inside. So you're getting this massive 300 millimeters optics, fixed zoom, getting the cool stuff, this sniper handle with fire trigger, shoulder hold, as every sniper has, and now follows the new stuff I like to use. For the camera I will use a Raspberry Pi, as the project mentioned. I like to use the new HQ model, camera model from Raspberry Pi, of a Raspberry Foundation. And the newest delivery I get today is this small M42 to C mount adapter. So it's nothing special. So yeah, but you need this adapter to connect this lens made in the UdSSR to connect it to this British product. So let's see. You're getting here some small Allen key screws, worm screws, so you can adjust the position when it's screwed in. So you're getting these two inserts, one for the thread for the M42 and the other for the C-mount. So you can easily adjust the end position of this thing. But you also have on the lens itself also this ability to adjust the positioning, because with this M42 you never can predict where your thread ends. So I think I need this, because in C-mount adapter I need the CC mount adapter also. The thread is going quite hard. Mark inside. We can insert the whole module. With a small Allen key we can adjust the end position. One, two. So now to the HQ camera. You can also connect everything to the mount. I think I have to use another ground housing. So after some trying around, I did manage to fix the camera, The new module has a spacing of 30 millimeters, so I drilled just 4 and 3 millimeters holes in this backside case. Used some zinc screws and some M3 spacers, which I have used some M3 spacers which I have lying around, put in the ribbon cable inside, did remove the photo thread screws. So I think now we are ready to shoot some photos, but the main part is missing. And this is one thing, is the power supply, which I may put somewhere on the shoulder, so here. And also we need a switch which triggers the photo shoot with this trigger, because normally these triggers you can adjust on this lens the aperture, but for better aiming you can wide open the aperture so you can see it quite clear what you are shooting and don't get an oversaturated photo. The first stage is you close your aperture to the closed size, you select here and then you shoot the photo. And now I get somewhere to add a small switch, maybe a small connector which will drive maybe something with a 4-pole for power and the switch. So I just have to plug in this and everything works fine. So yeah, but this is, I think, the first mechanical prototype of my Raspberry Pi photo sniper. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye!